Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Hariprasad.
Yeah, this is Mansoor.
Yeah, how are you?
Good. How are you, sir?
Yeah, good too.
Yeah, sorry, my webcam is not working
Okay, not an
because, as I told you, yeah, it's a work laptop and they have so much restrictions on it.
okay, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but you are in the same computer where you also have a project.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm in the same computer.
So, but you can able to share screen and everything, no?
Yeah, yeah. I will try now because I'm doing it through web. I couldn't. Okay.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
Host disabled attendee screen sharing. Oh, so I think it's disabled from your side,
See, now you can try.
or is it from my side? Okay. Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so it's better. So
Yeah.
you are in the same computer, and then you can also same. Okay. So Zoom was
Yes.
not working. You were telling, na?
Yeah, Zoom. I mean, I couldn't download the application.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I can do it on the web on Google Chrome.
Okay. So which version is this?
Uh,
Like 16 or 21?
yeah, 16. Unfortunately, that's
Okay,
the
that's
only one
fine.
in
No problem.
the company.
16 much
Yeah.
better. Yeah. You know anything about the MS project before, or you were working in the software?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm a project planner with
Ah,
this
okay.
company.
Oh,
Yeah, so yeah, I have used it for some time.
okay.
Yeah, I was doing. I mean, like Gantt charts for project schedules for different projects.
Hmm.
So I have used it for a while, but then I went on military service.
Oh,
Because now it's mandatory for UAE nationals to go for military service.
oh, okay.
Yeah, so I went like for 16 months,
Oh,
1/6.
okay.
Yeah, so
So
that's long time. So
you
now,
are UAE nationality, like you were born and brought up here.
yes, yes,
Ah, okay. That's
yeah,
compulsory in that case for you.
yeah, yeah. So that's why I have to. Anyone from age 18 to 30.
Hmm.
So yeah, I went to the service, came back. Like all my memories gone.
Okay, the military is
Yeah,
totally different, na? So where only physical
of course,
education.
exactly. No, I did. I mean, I did some work on in the in the office,
Oh, okay.
but it was totally different. Different
Hmm.
stuff, different structure. But yeah, it didn't. They don't put you in the whatever your field is. So if
Oh,
you're yeah, they don't look at qualifications. They just
yeah.
you know how military works.
Yeah,
Even
I know, I
in
know. Yeah,
India also.
yeah.
Yeah, they don't care what is your qualification as long as you can hold the rifle and run.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
but in
So yeah,
military
so
also, like if you are having a bachelor degree, then they will consider and they will put you in a good position, and then they will offer
mm,
you lots of benefits.
no, I doubt that, sir, because I have a degree. I graduated in aviation management from
Oh,
Embry-Riddle Aeronautical, Florida.
oh my God! So
Yeah,
you
I studied
you're having
abroad.
a good stuff in you, na? So I think maybe the UAE military not consider that.
Yeah, yeah. It's because this is mandatory national service. So
Hmm.
we are not like employed with armed forces. Like
Uh,
I have friends who graduated with me in the US.
hmm.
They're officers now in UAE Army.
Oh,
Those guys, yeah, yeah. Like I had a guy, he graduated information systems major. So
ah,
yeah, that guy is working for all this cyber electronic stuff.
hmm.
Yeah, because they're employed. But for us, it's only service. It is 16 months service. So it's mostly, as you said, it's mostly physical and sending you for sending you to different places for duties and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they don't consider, like one of my friends who in my basic training, he's nuclear engineer. If you heard about Baraka, the nuclear, the electricity program we have here in Baraka in West Abu Dhabi.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so he's nuclear engineer, but he was serving with me. So,
Hmm.
yeah, so we are all same in that unit.
Hmm.
No difference.
So now you're working for military or any other private company?
No, no, I was an employee, but then I had to stop and go to service, and now I came back as a civilian again. I work for a private company called GANS, Global Air Navigation Services. So basically, they provide air navigation services to military and civil airports.
Oh,
Yeah, so basically, in the team I'm working with, we are running projects on behalf of our clients. So basically, airports, like
hmm.
any airport, military base or civilian airport like Abu Dhabi International.
So you also from
So
aviation industry, na? So it's good for you.
what's that?
No, you from aviation industry. So you studied aviation, some course in.
Yeah, yeah, Exactly. Yeah. So it is the same industry. Because I was on scholarship. So yeah, I was on presidential scholarship.
Wow.
So
So from UAE
yeah, so when
sponsored, na?
yeah, from Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed, yes.
Wow.
So I went, yeah. So they have a condition before you sign the contract that yeah, the amount of time you spend abroad, you have to spend serving serving here in UAE.
But how many, like, what kind of degree that you have taken in Florida?
Bachelor's of Science in Aviation Management.
Okay, so it
Yeah.
is like how many years?
4 years.
4 years. So you need to serve for 4 years
Yeah.
here also.
Exactly, yeah. But it before it was compulsory to serve in government entities. But then when I came back, they changed. They said, yeah, you can serve anywhere as long as you are inside UAE.
Okay.
But where will I go? There is no better place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
That
that's
sounds good.
about me. That's a little introduction.
And
What about you, Mr. What do you have like a short name? Because I don't want you to get offended because I'm not good with pronunciations.
yeah, you can call me Hari.
Hari, yeah. So Hari, let's know you now. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, but your name, like your complete name, like
Yes, people ask me that question most of the time. I have Khan in my name. Yes, but I'm Baluchi.
Baluchi, Pakistani, na? You Baluchi is from
No,
Pakistan, right?
no. We are from Oman side.
Oman.
Yes. So see, Baluchis are three kind. There are Baluchi from Baluchistan, which is in Pakistan, and there are Baluchis from Iran. Those guys in Iran, yeah.
Yeah.
And then there are Baluchis from Oman. But
See,
yeah,
actually,
they still
yeah.
have some, and they still have some relations, to Iran, Pakistan, all this area.
Actually,
Because
when
they
I am
used to
staying in
migrate.
Muscat, actually, I was being there in Muscat for 3 years, and then where lots of students having the surname Baluchi.
Yeah, but yes, exactly.
Yeah. So Muscat is a very good place, na? Like when comparing to this UAE, that culture, that peaceful, very peaceful country, Oman.
I have no idea, sir, because I didn't. I went just once in my life to Muscat.
Oh, okay. So actually,
Yeah.
comparing to that environment to UAE, like totally different, upside down. Yeah.
But we are also peaceful people, sir. We are not crazy people.
No,
Maybe some of us.
yeah, that's fine. But here, like the culture is different, na? Like it's like a multiculture. Like lots
Exactly,
of
yeah.
expatriates there. Like when more expatriates, more problems, more stress. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah. Even now in my company, I work for expats. Like my head of section is British. My manager, she is Indian. She's very very certified, very capable, young, and she has all the qualifications of this PMP, PGMP, all the project qualifications. I'm working on my PMP actually, but it will take some time. I'm still young.
Yeah, but how old are you?
27.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I didn't have time. I was in service for 16 months. I was abroad, so and PMP, they require three years of experience, and it was tough in the beginning to get job because every job will ask you if you have finished your military service or not. So that was like I was sitting at home for eight months looking for jobs.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great. So myself, I'm Hariprasad. Like you can call me Hari. So actually, I was like being a trainer for 7 years, and then I was working in a construction company for 2 years in the beginning in Chennai only. You know Chennai, na, from India?
Of course, because all the contractors are from Chennai.
Okay.
Yeah, because they develop, systems and stuff. So I worked in systems projects.
Oh.
Yeah, so all air navigation systems like communications, navigation, and surveillance systems. So we had a contractor which was basically French, but all the people working there were from Chennai.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So now, what's your position in your company?
I'm project planner, and inshallah by after I get my PMP and I will do some courses in management. Let's say by next promoted to become a project manager. Yeah, but for now I'm just project planner.
Good. Yeah. So you're supposed to take a PMP exam, and then when you PMP certified, then you will even lots of doors will be open for you. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. I might not complete with the same company. I might go back to government, to the airport.
Yeah.
and work again for the airport, I will see. I will see what are my options there.
Yeah, you also have lots of time. You are young as well. Yeah. But
Yes.
if you want to enter to the government, then there might be like some age restriction, huh?
Yeah, I was in the government, but I resigned. I used to work for Abu Dhabi airports.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
so I resigned because honestly I was not getting paid enough.
Oh,
Yeah, so I just
like
resigned and I
problem.
went to the company, and the company is also like a like a service provider to the airport.
Oh,
Yeah, so I'm still in the same circle. I cannot get out. So yeah, so I will see after I get qualified, inshallah. I will see to either go back to the airport, but not to the same team I used to work for. I will
Hmm.
work in projects because that will be my domain,
Hmm.
for the career, or I might join presidential flight, one of those two. So we
So
will see.
you, what I can call you like,
What's that?
what I can call you, your name or short name, something like that.
Mansoor, that's the shortest name.
Mansur. Okay, okay, Mansur. Okay then. Hmm. Okay, so we will discuss some of the normal things like when coming to project management, like what you actually mean by a project. The term project, you have any idea? You can let me know. Like we will discuss, and if it is like a discussion, it would be much more to remember, easy to remember. Na?
Yes.
Okay.
Concept. It
Ah,
has five processes, which is initiation, planning, execution,
hmm.
monitoring,
Controlling, right? No, which means like my desktop icons and everything.
yes, now I can see it.
Okay.
Yes.
See, also let me know now.
So
Can you able to see my whiteboard Zoom?
yes, yes,
Okay,
yes, I can see the
so I'm
whiteboard.
asking like knowledgeable areas. So now
Mhm.
you can just list out. We will list it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's begin with first integration management.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
Integration.
Then integration. Then the basic three is scope, time, and cost.
Okay. So scope, time,
Yeah.
and cost. Okay.
Yes. And then stakeholders.
Stakeholders, no problem. So that is not important. So
Yeah.
nine. So totally, I'm
Okay.
going to consider nine
So
knowledgeable areas.
okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's okay. So then we can say human resource management.
HR.
Yes. And then risk management.
Of course, risk.
Yeah. Quality.
Quality.
Yes. So how many are there now? Seven.
Hmm.
What is eight and nine? Let's see. Eight and nine. See, that's why I'm telling you. I had a full. I need to refresh my memory with this.
Okay. So
Yeah.
when there is an integration, we also have communication, right?
Communication management. Exactly.
Yeah. And then
Communication management.
only
So this
one.
is. So now we are eight.
Hmm.
What else is there? So I said quality, scope, time. Uh,
See, important one you left, material and machineries.
procurement. Procurement management.
Procurement. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
So
Those are the guys we are
integration.
always fighting with.
So these are all the things we need to like have in our mind when
Yes.
like framing any project or anything. Like when whatever you do, you're supposed to have these things in your mind. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So scope in the sense like integration in the sense how you are going to integrate all together and then you are going to work with. And scope in the sense like you are going to have some opportunities, na?
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah. And then risk in the sense you will be having some threats. So for any
Yes.
projects. Okay. And then
So
quality.
you are basically applying the what do you call it? The SWOT analysis thing, right here.
SWOT.
Yeah. Yeah. Like the strength, opportunities, weakness, and threats.
That is separate. That is
Yeah.
separate. But
Yeah.
for prime, like for Primavera or MS project, but this knowledgeable area is important. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
communication and then procurement. So procurement in the sense we can just go for materials
Materials,
and
yes.
machineries.
And how? Hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So quality, you said quality assurance and quality cost, right?
Yeah, we are having the
Yes.
like health and safety
Yes.
and everything.
Yes. Yes.
So HR for manpower.
Yes. Manpower. How many hours are spent? Resources.
So budgeting.
Yes.
So cost
Budget.
resistance, budgets. And then time,
Yes.
you know, na? Dates.
Dates, exactly. Start date, finish date.
Okay. So integration, like as a team, na? Team
Yes.
or like what we say, like hierarchies. So we can say, na, these are the integrations.
Yes.
Okay, so this is what the knowledgeable area. And then what else we have, like okay, so now we also have, like as you said, like PDCA cycle.
Yes.
So
Process development, something like this, yeah?
No, plan.
Planning. Okay,
Yeah.
plan. Do.
Yeah.
Do. Yeah. C, I don't know.
Check.
C is check, yeah, and A is act.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember this from the ISO standard, something like this.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So now basically you are refreshing my memory again.
Yeah, of course. This is all the, like I used to like discuss these things with students in the first class, so that's what I'm doing with you also. Yeah. Okay, so what else, like we have, like planning, do, and then check, act. I think see here the act not coming.
No, just click on check there.
No, I think this is like once you just move, na, then it won't come. So act.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all the basic things we must know. Okay, so you know, like project and project management, like how you are going to do. Okay, then I just close this. Okay, so this is what, like project window will be appearing now. So we will just see the graphical user interface and then the backstage views and everything. So like once you double click, it will be like this. So here you will be available with the recent documents, or you can able to open other projects from here.
Yes.
Okay, and you can also just search for online templates. So we are available with lots of templates.
Yeah, the thing with us, Harry, that because of all this IT security restrictions we have, we cannot access templates. I tried, and it's very tough. Because Harry, we work for air navigation.
Yeah.
Air navigation, aircrafts and stuff. Yeah, so it's very strict. But yeah, I can have a workaround. I mean, I can download the template on my personal laptop. And then send it through my email, my work email, and then I can download from Outlook from my email.
Yeah, because of
I think that's how it will work. Yeah, but usually I don't use templates. I just create a simple, like timeline or a Gantt chart, just to keep track of the project.
Yeah.
Just to compare the baseline schedule that is submitted by the contractor against the actual dates. So part of my job is to track and monitor. If the contractor is is going per the contract.
Yeah.
Per the contract dates. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so in that case, like you will be like clicking blank project, and then you are just going to do everything from the scratch.
Yes.
Okay, from scratch we supposed to say. Okay. Otherwise, we can just click this template, and then we can able to just go for create.
Yes.
Okay, and then we can able to take the start date of the project by choosing the date here, or you can just go for today. Okay, so automatically create, in the sense it will create for you. And another thing, you can just go for creating new from existing project. So whatever you are just having in existing project, so again you can able to just create a new one, and no need to like create again and again this kind of thing, some set of things. So it will be like it will be there inside. So only we are going to frame a new project with all the available data. Okay, and then even you can able to just open a new project from Excel workbook. So you can just have some columns now. So and then you can directly just put here it will come, because it is also like MS Microsoft.
Yes.
There is some other thing called SharePoint. So from that also you can able to just create a new project. But by default we'll be using blank project. Okay. But sometimes some people also use new from Excel workbook. Yeah. And
Harry, I also have another question for you.
Yeah.
So in terms of Microsoft project, do you think it is effective to manage like a portfolio, like having multiple projects, or is it only specified for one specific project?
So this is like if you want this as a portfolio management, then MS project actually it is not a portfolio or database management tool. This is just like a file-based software. So you can able to just save and then you can able to like reopen and you can able to work with. But this is not actually a real database program. So for example, database program, we have Oracle Primavera. So P6, that is what everywhere like familiar for database or portfolio management.
Yeah, I've been asking for that before I went on my service. But
Oh,
they, the client is not is not willing to pay for Primavera. I heard it's a very effective tool.
yeah. When comparing to MS Project, like
Yeah.
Primavera is a database tool, and this is like a file-based tool. Yeah.
So in Primavera, it's let's say it's possible to have like a whole overview of your projects with the critical activities.
Of course, we can able to have critical activity both in MS Project and also in Primavera. Yeah.
No. I mean for multiple projects. Like let's say you have 6 projects you are working
Okay.
on, and then you want to see like when are the system testing happening, because you need to assign resources, right?
Yeah,
So
of
you
course.
need to make sure that all these resources are available so you can assign them.
Yeah, this is
So
possible in P6. Yeah, because it is like a database where you can able to open multiple projects together and you can able to see all in a one single view. So
nice.
table and then Gantt chart. Yeah, side by side you can able to compare and work with.
All right. Anyways, let's still with our poor MS project.
But learning MS Project also it's easy because after now when you're
Yes.
going for Primavera, it is easy for you to understand. Okay.
Okay. Fantastic.
Yeah. So whatever is that like MS Project, the Primavera, any of that you are learning, the other one it is easy for you to learn. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. So these are all the things we have like okay. So I'm just going to start with a blank project. So you click that. So once you click, you are available with this window. Na? So here like
Yes.
you are getting one message like all tasks will be manually scheduled.
Where is the message?
It's just gone. So when you open
Okay. Anyway, yeah. Okay.
So which means like normally now it is like manually scheduled in the sense. So each and every time you're supposed to go for schedule and then it will become auto schedule. So otherwise it will be like manual schedule. So it won't update by itself. So you need to like click some other option to make it update.
Yeah, that's what I usually do. I usually manually schedule because I get the schedules from the contractors, and then I take all the all the tasks that are important to me, and just try to have a Gantt chart for it, for presentations for the higher management and stuff.
Yes, of course.
So yeah. So usually I do manually schedule. Yes.
Okay. So these things like we will be like getting familiar once we are getting into the software, one by one. So now I'm just going to tell you what are all the interface we have. Okay, so first we have here now, like we have quick access toolbar, like where you can able to save, undo, redo, and then we also have a advanced document property option. Even you can able to customize from here. If you want a quick print, you can have. So like this. Okay, and then we also have a title bar where you can able to see like once you save, Control S or you click, and once you save, like it will be coming here. So title bar, and then you also have a help option. So where you can able to click and ask for online help, and you have a minimize, restore, close option, and you are like having a cloud-based login. Then you can sign in here. You have Microsoft access for login. Then you can sign in from here. Okay. And then you can able to save your documents over the cloud. Okay. And then what else we have here, like menu, file menu, task menu, resource menu, report menu, and format. Okay. And then each menu now we also have a ribbon. Like in this kind of ribbon, we also have lots of tools. So view tools, font tools.
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes some of the tools also having even the secondary tools also. Or you can able to open into a what to say, like a separate window. So these tools it will be opening in a separate window and we can able to work with. Okay. Okay, and then we also have timeline here. Like this is like here we have a timeline. Okay, so and then we have Gantt chart, and then here like see, which means like this is like Gantt table, and then we also have a Gantt chart here.
Gantt chart, yes.
Okay, table and then the chart. Okay, so if you want to just do something here, then you can go for. If you want to go for calendar, you can right click here and then go to calendar, and you can able to see what are all the activities are, what are all the tasks that is going to happen for 21st Monday, like that. Or you can able to just go here and then like you can able to see. Okay, from right click here and then you can able to go for. And then if you want like a resource sheet, if you want to create resource and everything, then you can just right click, go for resource sheet, and then you can able to start creating your resources here. Okay, and then what else we
Yes.
have? Like, yeah, we have network diagram. If you want to see the network diagram, then you can just go here. So everything from right click here and you can able to go. This is like a window that you are going to like change. Now again, if you want to Gantt chart, you can just click Gantt chart, it will come. So whenever you're clicking Gantt chart, it will also come with a table. So without table, there is no purpose for Gantt chart, right?
Yes. Yes.
That's what
Exactly.
it is. Okay, so it's just like here we have now each and every cells like okay, this is similar to the Microsoft Excel, like the rows and columns.
Yes.
Okay, so here also like you can just right click and you can able to insert some column or you can able to hide column. This is similar to MS Excel.
MS Excel.
Yeah, actually it is very easy. Like you can just go here and you can able to just go for some other option also, or you can just go to the last.
Yes. Yes.
See here you have a new column.
Yeah, you can add some other stuff if you. Yeah.
So many things you can able to add. Some from A to Z you are having everything.
Yes.
And another thing, like we have baselines, na? So you know what you mean by baseline. So we can able to compare our project to the baselines.
Baseline. Yes.
Okay, but the disadvantages over other software for MS project, we can able to have only 11 baseline. So it's
Only
limited.
11.
Only limited. So in
Ah.
Primavera, this is like unlimited. So where we can able to have multiple baselines.
Okay.
But okay, but 11
So
is enough, na? Like normally for any project,
yeah,
like we have 11, we can able to have 11 baseline, and we can able to
because yeah, in my case, in my projects, baseline are, usually baseline are coming from the contract that is signed with the contractor. So
okay,
those
so
are fixed. So any changes will be changed in the actual start and actual finish.
yeah,
So yeah, so when I'm comparing or if I am holding the contractor accountable for something, it is from the contract. So usually my baseline is always fixed. I won't change it 10 times or 11 times. So it is fixed one. Any changes happen after that are going to the actual start and finish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I usually don't change baselines for them.
So in that case, like there is no need to worry about actually. 11 also it's enough. That's what I'm telling.
Yeah, it's enough. Yeah, even I had projects with more than 11 baseline changes. But usually when they change, then it is a big process. They have to go through a lot of paperwork and committee. There is a big committee. They need to approve it.
Yeah, because this is like going to control whole project, na? That is going to affect the whole. Yeah, they need to like
Exactly.
get
Yeah.
permissions and then approvals. Okay, so this is just like overview or a graphical user interface. See here, you can able to see the status bar, and then where you can also see some options. See,
where is the status? I cannot see it on the screen here.
So in
Let's
this,
see.
like, bottom,
Let me do full screen. Okay. What do you mean by where is the status again?
So like here, now there is something called ready, and the new task will be manually scheduled.
Okay.
These things, and here you have even from here right click you can able to do, and another important things from here also you can go. See here you can just go for task usage, and then team planner, and then resource sheet. Okay, so these all things from here also you can go, or you can able to zoom out, zoom in from here, and even you can just go for reports, everything. Again, you can just go back to the Gantt chart. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so very simple, like this graphical user interface. Now you are okay with. Okay. And then what we have like here from file, if you're clicking, we can able to see the backstage view. This is called backstage view for any kind of Microsoft products. From here, you can just go for like manage accounts, or you can able to organize like some reports or templates, something like that. Okay, and even you can able to see the project informations, like what is the start date of this project, finish date of this project. Anyway, we not started it. Nah? That's why everywhere it is like today. Okay, and then even the priorities and then the project calendar. By default, it will be standard. We also have another, so 3 kind of standard calendars we have. So 24-hour calendar, night shift calendar, standard calendar. Yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Okay, and then you also have a new, and here you can able to go for new template or blank project, and open, you can able to open existing projects, or save, you can able to save in a particular location or OneDrive, or any other like online synchronization, like with the SharePoints and everything. And then save as also you can go for save as, and print option we have. So we are available with, we can able to go for print to PDF. And then even here you can able to just customize the pages. This is similar to MS Excel. Yeah. And then share, we can able to share this to email. Okay. If you want to send this project to email. And then export also we have. Export, we can also just create PDF and
Yes.
XPS documents.
Mhm.
Okay, and then close. So close means it will close the this is
The
the
backstage.
current open project.
Mm.
Okay, and then account. So account in the sense again I'm telling na, like if you have Microsoft account, then you can able to sign in, and then you can able to save everything in your cloud space. Okay, and then option. This is important. So whenever you're clicking option, you are available with many
Mm.
things. So these things we used to like customize sometimes. So for example, here
Mhm.
we have a project option general, and then screen tip style, show feature description and screen tip. So you can able to just choose whatever you want. If you don't want to see the screen tips because you know everything, then you can put don't show screen tips. As you are new, then you need to show feature description and screen tips.
Mhm.
Okay. And then you can also just choose a default view, what you want. For example, some people want default view as calendar. So whenever close and come back, they will see only the calendar default view. But the Gantt with the timeline is good, na? So that's why we are
Yes.
having Gantt chart and also timeline.
Yeah, if I don't see Gantt with timeline, then I feel something is wrong. I
Yeah,
lost my work.
yeah. So then
Yeah,
you
that's
need
the
to
most
make your
important
default
part to
view.
me.
Yeah, so then you
Uh,
need to just customize these things in default view.
Default view. Okay.
And then date format also, we have multiple date format. So even
Yes, yes,
date
familiar with
with
that. Yeah.
time also we have. So whatever you want, you can choose from here. So see, even this sometimes some people they prefer to choose this one. So everything is
Yes,
clearly visible. January 28, 2009, 12:33 p.m. Okay, whatever you want, you
yes.
can choose. Okay, so if you choose and then click OK only, everywhere it will be updated. Otherwise, it won't. By default, it will be like this. And even you can able to personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. So you can put your username, initials, and even the background it is white now. You can just go for dark gray like that also.
Okay. This one is new to me.
Hmm. See, this is like dark gray. So like
uh,
see now everything in gray color. So these are the small things. So you can just go for light gray. So now it is
mhm.
in light gray. So I think
Okay.
okay, small things, these things, but it is in white color. So white, this is what by default we are having. Okay. So
Mhm.
startup option now show the start screen when this application starts. So if you want, you can just have this. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. Start screen. Okay, and then we have display, and then what kind of calendar type you want. So
Yes,
Gregorian calendar or Hijri calendar, or I think normally English calendar we are using. Na? That is called Gregorian
yes,
calendar.
yes, yes.
No need to change. Anyway, current object options for this project. So for this project one, we not saved, but by default project one. Na? So it is taking the name and then the symbol. See, if you want to change the symbol, you can change. So by default, it's
Mhm.
US dollar. Otherwise, you can put
Yeah.
AED.
Yes.
Okay, and then here you can able to choose. I think AED it is coming. See, so
Yeah.
For AED we have symbol. I never seen this symbol.
Yeah. This is Dal Alif.
What it means? Like I never seen. Actually,
It,
in MS
it's
project it's
it
come
means
automatically.
so Dal is coming from D.
Hmm.
Dal means dirham. Okay,
Hmm.
it's like an abbreviation for dirham.
Hmm.
And Alif comes from A, but in this case it comes from E.
Oh,
So
so
it's
this.
dirham Emirati. So
So
Emirati dirham.
okay. So see,
Yeah,
even it is
these are
coming.
Arabic letters. Yeah,
So even you
yeah.
can able to go for decimal digit, like how much you want to see, like even without
Yes.
even you can able to make it zero also.
Hmm.
But by default it's like a two. Okay.
It's two decimals. Yes.
And even show indicator and option button for resource assignment. Even these things you can able to like check or uncheck. But by default, don't worry, like don't no need to change anything. But sometimes these kind of changes we can able to make from the backstage view over the options.
Hmm.
Okay. So anyway, I will just continue with dollar because when I'm seeing this, I am a little bit confused. Okay, I will just go to schedule, and here the schedule also it's important. See how when the week starts on. So
Yes.
normally, yeah,
Exactly.
here if you want to change something, you can change.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then even the fiscal year, see January or some April. So sometimes some people used to start year with April, na?
Hmm.
So this kind of small changes. Even the default start time and then end time. So the default start time like 8 a.m., end time 5 p.m. So this is like a normal working time of any office. Na?
Yes.
Okay, so hours per day. If you want to increase, you can increase here. So if you're putting 10 hours per day, then hours per week, how much it could be?
50.
So this kind of things. Days per month. See, days per month by default it is 20. So these things no need to change. Otherwise, if you can change actually. Okay. And then the show assignment unit as a percentage or decimal. So if you
Hmm.
want to see the assignment in 0.5 or 50 percentage, then you can change. So this resource like 50%, or if you want to just to see that as a number, then you can choose. It's up to you. Okay, and then see new task created, manually scheduled. If you want auto schedule, you can put, but manually scheduled is preferable, and then we can just put auto schedule.
Yes.
Okay, when auto scheduling, the task, like we need to consider project start date or current date. So project start date, it's better now. So current date in the sense, every time you schedule, like it will change the project start date to current date. And then duration in days. See, whenever you enter some 8, it will take 8 days. If you want 8 month, then you need to change here month. So when you put 8, it will take 8 months. Okay, and then work is entered in hours. So duration in days and work in hours, like man hours, how much, like 10 hour, 12 hour. So when you put directly 12, it will automatically take 12 hours. But if you're taking here like hour, then you're supposed to put otherwise, if you want to put that into minutes, then you can actually by default hours is better now.
Yes.
Okay, and then default task type fixed unit. These things I will tell you like what is the differences. And even here, some of the things we can just see new task are effort driven. So these kind of things, this kind of terminologies that we will discuss later in our software. What you mean by effort driven? What you mean by fixed unit duration, fixed but everything. Okay. Okay, and then proofing we have. So I think proofing we never use that much. This is only for like what to say, like spelling, grammar, and then
spelling, grammar. Yeah, exactly.
And then saving option, like every 10 minutes you want to auto save, then you can just go for auto save options. Or which format you want to see. We have many formats. You can able to select any of this format. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, because like if you are like going to send this project to 2003, that the end user or another person, he's having only MS Project 2000 to 2003, then he can't able to open the biggest version. So you need to save in the lowest version.
Yes.
So that the reverse compatibility is not possible. Okay. But in 2016, you can able to work like open 2003.mpp files also.
Yeah.
So
the new one can open old ones, but the old ones cannot open the new one.
That reverse compatibility is like problem. Sometimes it may open also, but it will just make some internal issues. But we don't know what is also. Like once you once you see only, then you will be knowing there are some issues because of the compatibility. Okay. Okay, so these are all the things, and even the language. So these are normal, like Microsoft Office tools. And advanced also we have some options. See, even in advanced also we need to like see here like minutes and everything. You can able to just change whatever the abbreviations you want.
Yes.
Okay, see for example for minute you can able to put M, or for month you can able to put MO. So whatever you want. And even the colors and everything also you can just change from here. Okay, so see default task event value method percentage complete baseline for event value calculation. See you have 11 baseline now. See here you can able to see the proof. So baseline and then baseline 1 to baseline 10. So that's why we used to say like only we can able to have 11 baseline in the MS project.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, and then customizing ribbon. If you want to have some more tools, even the developer tools and everything, if you want, you can have. But it is like advanced things like we don't want. If you want, you can just customize the ribbons also. Okay, but quick access toolbar, that is simple now. From here also you can able to customize.
Yes.
Add-ins and then just sentence. That's it. So this is what like normally in Backstage view options. Okay. So today this introduction and then the graphical user interface and then the Backstage view. So I think you are okay with all these things. Now you are comfort.
Yeah. I'm familiar with most of what you said. I've used most of what you said. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, Hari, my main goal from this is, let me show you something if it is possible.
Okay, you can.
There is something there is something I'm trying to develop right now.
Okay.
For just 1 minute. Yeah. So there is. Let me see if I can share this.
See if it is not allowing, let me know. I think I already allowed you to share your screen. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is something I'm working on because I have to work on. So far, I have like more than 40 projects which I need to keep track of. Some of them are.
But I can't able to see anything here.
Yeah, I know, but I will show you.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but I need to hide some stuff first because it might get little complicated. All right. Okay. So this is let's see. Let's share my screen with you.
Okay.
Okay. This is something I'm doing on Excel. If you can see my screen, can you see my screen?
No.
Okay. This share. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can able to see. Yeah.
Yeah. You see the Excel sheet, right?
Yeah. Colorful Excel.
Yeah. Yeah. So basically, these are not milestones. These are projects.
Yeah.
As you can see, you see these are all with abbreviations.
Yeah.
So, and this is like a timeline, like a Gantt chart, basically.
Okay.
Yeah, and it shows, like all projects or only, let's say, active projects. Okay.
Hmm.
I mean, this is a little older. This is something I did, 16 months earlier
Hmm.
for some projects. So as you can see, the date, it's also 2020. So
Yeah.
let's say, like, if I put January 1st, 20, and then I choose, like, I want to see the view of all these projects for the next 6 months.
Hmm.
As you can see, so this red thing means SAT, like site acceptance test.
Oh.
So this will happen here. So this gives me an overview of
Okay.
all the projects,
Hmm.
with so these are the main activities. You see this,
Okay.
the keys there, plan, schedule. No, I mean FAT, SAT, OV, OH, EX, restart.
Hmm.
So this gives me an overview. So so my main goal from learning. Yeah, I just stopped sharing the screen so I
Okay.
can talk to you now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you saw my idea basically,
Okay.
and this is my like this is my end goal from this course
Hmm.
with you, Hari, and I think you can do it. You are professional. That I want to achieve something like this on project where I can have an overview
Hmm.
of most of my projects, because you saw the idea on Excel. It's simple.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not a. I mean, the Excel sheet itself is very complicated because it took me weeks to develop something like this.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Because
I
there are
understand. Yeah.
too much formulas and stuff going around.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. So this is my end goal from learning MS Project, that I might be able to do something similar. If not, at least I can do something for each project,
Yeah.
because
Yes.
you saw on my spreadsheet there are like more than 10 or 12 active
So
projects.
these are all the tasks for one particular project or a different like.
No, these are all different projects.
Oh, okay. So when you can
Yeah.
just go in depth of that. I think you have lots
Uh,
of pages.
yes, I have too many sheets. Let me share this with you again. Can you see the screen?
No.
Yeah. So as you can see, there are no
Yeah.
again. Can you see it now?
No.
Can you see it?
No. See, last time what you did,
Uh,
you do the same, then it will come.
yeah, I did the same. Yeah. Okay. So let's see entire. Can you see it now?
No, I think you're supposed to minimize to the something like that.
Okay. Can you see now?
No, I can't.
No.
Be black.
What is?
Mansur
Okay.
Muhammad has
So you
started
cannot.
sharing.
Okay. You cannot see my screen again. So yeah. Let me try. Yeah, because see, this is the problem with Zoom. If you are not using the app itself,
Uh,
the software. If you are using web, I mean online version.
yeah,
So these are the problems you have to
because like
encounter.
then why don't you like download the what application? Like if you download, I think you can. If you
It's not allowed. That's the thing.
okay, so
Yeah,
that's
I
you
mean,
are
I mean the
yeah over the
yeah,
web you are accessing. Yeah.
exactly, because it is asking for admin login, which
Oh
I don't have, which only the client has the.
yeah.
Yeah, but it shows that you can see my screen.
No, but here I
I
can't.
don't know why. Okay, so what is going on here? I need to find out why you cannot see my screen. Let's see again. Entire. Okay, can you see my screen again?
No, but wait for some time, maybe after a little refresh.
Okay.
But I mean like you can just minimize and everything. So last time you did something, it came now, so that's why. Only the
Yeah, I
Excel
did the
thing
same. Yeah, I did the same now, but it's still not working.
not working. Yeah.
Yeah, even here, and it's not showing on.
Hmm.
Yeah, so I think this might be problematic in the future when we are using this. Yeah,
Yeah.
but Harry, I wanted to ask you, Did you also buy a product key for project? Like how are you using it?
No, actually, this is like we supposed to like buy, but normally in
Yeah.
institutes, na, it is like okay, it's like permissible. Like in India also, na, like institutes they are
Mm.
using like normal version or some cracked versions, but doesn't matter
Uh-huh.
because they can able to manage and they can say like they're using only for academic purpose. But normally
Yeah.
other people they're supposed to buy for it, and then you as you said like it is expensive. Yeah.
It is like 4,000 dirhams.
Oh, too much.
Yeah, it
Maybe
is.
in
Yeah,
India we
I
can able
saw
to
it.
get for less. Hmm.
Uh, yeah, that's there was time when I was a teenager.
Um,
My whole computer was cracked,
oh.
starting from operating system,
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
ending by everything. Everything was cracked. But now
No,
the thing is,
because you are
I
in
am
the
I'm
government sector, that too. Then
like
if you're doing something, then it is a problem for you.
exactly, and then I told you there is too much restrictions on the IT there,
Yeah, and
and
also like,
I'm using the client's IT. Like the people who are
oh,
my client, they
okay,
are providing me the computer and the laptop. So
oh,
if I can, yeah, even if I want to do something, like crack or something, I cannot do it.
because you don't have the
Yeah.
admin access now.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Yeah, and they're very strict. Anyway, so yeah, so this was, I mean, you saw the spreadsheet and you got the idea. So
Yeah,
I
yeah, I
had,
got
like
that.
a
Yeah.
couple of, yeah. So even on the projects themselves, if I click on them, they will take me to another sheet,
Hmm. Yeah,
which will
that's
has
what
a
I want to
which will
see
has a
actually.
detail.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. So I don't know. Unfortunately, it is not working. Let's try one more time.
Hmm.
Please let me know. I know it's end of our class, our session, but I
Yeah, no
just wanted
problem. Yeah.
to share something with you, which is,
Yeah.
and which is the main purpose I
Hmm.
took this course.
Yeah.
Okay. You still cannot see my screen?
No, I can't. But why you stopped? You suddenly stopped. Nah. So no need. If you like, if you're discussing also, you can discuss with the same screen. Why? Maybe confidentials, nah. That's why.
Hmm?
No, you suddenly stopped, nah. Like why? I was thinking, like why you suddenly stopped. Like you can just share your screen, then discuss. No problem. Anyway, we are like without our cam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, actually, even the webcam is not working.
Oh, okay, no problem. Like it's
Yeah.
fine
Yeah.
actually.
The
If you
webcam is, yeah.
we people comfort, nah. Like we are speaking comfort, nah. Then no need to see. Yeah. Only thing to
Yeah.
learn something out of that. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, that is the idea behind the Excel sheet.
Okay.
That I
Okay.
have all the projects listed.
Hmm.
Yeah, and
Okay,
then it
so
it will
we
show
will
me
try
the.
our best. Like I will tell you all the tools and everything. At the end, you will
Hmm,
get some idea, and then you can able to do something
yes,
out of it. Yeah.
exactly. And
Even I
I
will
also.
yeah, I will help you if you want something how to customize or something like that. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And some of the other stuff, like resource, like
Hmm.
as a resource sheet, assigning resource, and all this.
Hmm.
In my case, assigning resource, the thing with assigning resource that in MS project, it is very detailed. It will
Yeah.
count the hours and the salaries and everything.
Yeah.
In my
Everything. Yeah.
case,
In
yeah, in
Excel,
my
it is
case,
done.
I
Yeah.
cannot do that. Yeah, I cannot do that. And so the only thing for me in resource will be, I mean, I can use that tool, because I don't know how to use it.
Okay. Now I will tell
So
you. No
yeah,
problem. Yeah. Later you
yeah.
can.
So you will tell me about that, yeah, as well. So yeah, so this is my main goal from this course,
Okay.
to have some like a comprehensive, like a high, like a high level view of all the projects in my department.
Yeah. We can do
Yeah,
everything. Yeah.
yeah. So thank you for your time, Harry, and it was nice meeting you.
Yeah. Thank
And
you.
inshallah, we will continue until Thursday, and then I think on Friday and Saturday we have 2 hours and 3 hour sessions, right?
Yeah. 1 minute. I will
Yeah.
share my screen, and then you can able to see what it actually. So now you
Okay.
can able to see my screen, huh?
Yes. I see your screen is coming. My screen is
Because I
falling.
am using app na application, not online.
Okay. Yeah.
That's the
Exactly.
problem. Application and web.
Mm.
So this is our day schedules.
Mm.
Uh, see which one you are in. See every day is
This one.
possible. See nine
Yeah.
to ten. It's exceptional. Normally the institute will be closed by 9. But anyway, nine
Yes.
to ten. Okay. Every
Mm.
day we can. Only in the Friday we can't.
Okay. Yeah, no, but Friday I am registered from 2 to 4.
Yeah,
That's what
perfect. Yeah.
Ashita told me.
Yeah, because
Yeah. So,
because I fixed it and then I just messaged Miss Ashita and then she might be sending me.
yeah.
See,
Yeah,
Friday.
and then on Saturday it's from 3 to 6.
Even from Saturday also 3 to 6. Okay, then you
Yeah,
can
because
complete everything quickly also.
yeah, because what I heard from Ashita, I think I don't know if she discussed it with you. I told her that I know the basics,
Hmm.
so I might not need the full 30 or 40 hours training. I might need only 24 to 30 hours training, or
Oh,
maybe even 24. 24 will be enough, you know.
yeah, it's enough.
Yeah, yeah. So because I'm already using it, you know, I know I forgot some stuff, but you know, I'm still using it. From
Okay.
the, I mean, I joined back. I finished service in May, and I joined back in end of May on 30 May. So
Okay.
I still know the basics. I'm good with basics, but I just need to know, you know, like some of the stuff from, you know, from what you know, from your knowledge,
Okay.
and because you have worked with, you know, a couple of stuff, you know, you have worked with Primavera and MS Project, so you
Hmm.
might have a good overview, you know.
Yeah.
And as I told you about my goal from this course is to, you know,
Okay.
I want to do something special, you
Hmm.
know,
Okay.
for my yeah for my department, you know.
Yeah. We will do. No
Yeah.
problem. Yeah.
So just one thing, Harry, if you are okay with the session we have on Saturday,
Hmm.
which is from 3 to 6.
Okay.
Yeah, so in between there is Asr prayer. Okay, so I have prayer time. So if you would just allow me like 10 minutes,
No
you
issue.
know,
No
10 to
issue.
15
No
minutes,
problem.
yeah, just for the prayer. Yeah,
We can. No problem. Yeah.
yeah. But other than that, inshallah, I will be on time. I'm punctual guy.
Okay. It's good then.
Yeah.
Uh,
All right.
okay.
All right then. Have a nice evening, and inshallah, I will see you tomorrow.
Okay. Okay then. Bye.
All right. See you.